Ian, can we do that video, mate?
Why? What video?
We need to do a video though.
What video is it? What are we doing now?
We're doing Workshop Wednesdays.
What?
Workshop Wednesdays.
No way.
Yeah.
What, Workshop Wednesdays is back?
Yeah.
Sam! Guess what?
What?
Workshop Wednesdays is back.
We're back.
Yes! We're back. Well, we're back, Sam. Workshop
back.
Wednesdays.
We're back doing Workshop Wednesdays.
We've had a bit of a hiatus, haven't we?
It's been a bit of a...
When did we last do one? When did we last see everyone?
It's been 84 years.
Jesus, that's a long time ago. That was May.
Yeah, however many months that was ago.
It's October now. Well, we're back. What do you want to know, Higo?
What we've been up to?
What have we been up to?
What, an update on the cars, what we've been doing, what I've been doing at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been doing it at home.
I can't talk about it on camera.
I wouldn't either if I was you. Well, what's been happening? Well,
I guess start at the front of the workshop and...
work our way back.
I mean...
We made a shelf for the trailer.
Yeah, mate. Oh yeah,
That is
I don't think any of that was filmed though, was it?
No one's ever... Look at this, look.
So yeah, it was Ian's idea. Made a shelf, fabricated it one evening just before we was leaving to Poland, as you do, and it fits an entire PS13 body kit, and it came in handy, didn't it, after Poland?
It did, yeah, because we did Poland, Driftmasters final.
Kit was a little bit damaged. Re-kitted it and I went to Spain and did Euro Crew.
Yeah,
that was good.
Back from there, straight to Tully Roan.
I mean, yeah, I mean, the whole year, it's event after event. It's not really a non-weekend. 13's still 13.
Yeah, it hasn't moved.
Still no engine.
It's no move, no engine.
It's still in the corner. Maybe we'll buy it.
Comment. You can buy it. Me and Sam will sell it to you cheap.
GTR, that's what's that done?
Fixed now.
It's all fixed. It's done. Put the engine in it. What was it fixed for?
Oh yeah,
Goodwood.
Oh yeah, last time. Yeah, it had no
Put the engine in it. Went to Goodwood.
Forgot about that.
What else is? That's done quite a lot. MotoGP. You done MotoGP?
MotoGP. We did Goodwood Festival of Speed. We did a drift demo the other week at Goodwood.
Yep.
What else has it done?
It's done other events.
Gravity.
Oh, it done Gravity.
But it did Gravity, and that's when.
Yeah, after Gravity, manifolds are cracked, so Ian done a repair on them.
Got it all back up and running.
That's all fine now. It stopped trying to set fire to itself and other things.
So yeah, that's all done. We're going today. Today's the day. Today's the day when we're going to Southend because
see the first branded petrol station.
Baggsy petrol station. Famous Baggsy. So we're taking the GTR, that's why the trailer's here, that's why we're getting ready to load it up.
Truck's still trucking.
Truck's the truck, we haven't touched the truck.
What's the truck done? Truck's done. Truck's
did the truck, was the truck?
Yeah, the truck was still going, it's done TT.
Yeah, I'm just trying to think when the last time they see the truck.
Yeah, TT, MotoGP.
Oh, I did the subframe.
Was it?
I did the subframe in one of the Workshop Wednesdays video. And then we did Isle of Man TT.
Then it's done MotoGP, and then did that little commercial for the Brighton Monster Energy partnership.
Yep. And then that's it. It's just sat there now. So we're getting that ready. It might go on a trip soon. Who knows? Yeah. Corolla.
Yeah, my Corolla's more. I think that's been in them. Has it been in the video?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's got a few more bits in it.
More Corolla.
Painted. It's got an engine. So
yeah, shout out to Steal It.
She's getting there. Yeah. Steal It paint. Can't really complain. Like it's a lovely finish, and it's all out of aerosol. Hard wearing, easy to work with. Good product. Buy Steal It.
Yeah.
PS, that's now having.
Well, we're going through it now.
Well, yeah.
So it's finished. It's done its time this year.
Season. It's having a nice little overhaul. Gearbox is out. That's going to go back to Quaith for a service. What else is really?
You got to drive it as well.
A few little cracks. Well, yeah, we drove it. I drove it at MotoGP. Me and Baggsy done a demo. He drove the GTR and I drove the PS. You done a demo now in it at Goodwood?
Yeah, me and Baggsy did a demo at Goodwood for a VVIP.
We find that grown up and he's letting us drive now, isn't it?
Drive. Soon we'll just drive them all and he'll just stay in the office.
He'll just sit in the office and make phone calls.
That might be easier.
Probably a better idea.
So yeah, we've got a few little bits to repair on the PS. We've got a leaky rear main oil seal. So we've ordered the parts. That should be in Monday so we can get that fixed. New clutch. Gearbox back in it. Prop in. We repaired the exhaust because that was damaged. So yeah, that's just ready to go. So we're just going to park that up and put it in the corner under a sheet, ready for next year. The 350Z.
The famous Up in Smoke car. She done good, didn't she? She did the whole road trip.
Right. So she did good under our care.
she did the whole road trip, 5 drift days, 2 and whatever thousand mile. Well, it was over 2,000 miles.
2,000 miles.
5 drift days, not a problem. Changed the oil, and we let Stephen go to 1 drift day on his own. We lost the splitters, the side splitters, and the engine.
And the engine, yeah. That's the big one.
So, I mean,
she's still in there.
She's still in there. It's got no holes in it yet, but it makes a nice rattle. So, question is, what do you people reckon we should do?
No. Let's just tell them.
No, we can't tell them.
you can't want.
No, whoa. Don't tell them about it. No.
We might. No, don't. Come on. It's under there.
What? There's nothing
see
there.
behind Sam. There's a new engine. There's a new engine under there.
Yeah, but what is it though?
Well, look, there's a hint because it says. We'll let you do the. We'll just give them a clue.
What do the people want to see in it?
I mean, they'll say like CA18 or something like that.
I mean,
K20.
they could at least put
Sam would put a K20 in it.
I mean, if I had Baggsy's budget, put a rotor or something in it, wouldn't you?
I mean, yeah, I would. Quad rotor. Mad
That's
bike
taking a little bit, isn't it?
Well, you know.
Yeah, I don't know. What do the people reckon though?
Yeah, I mean.
What do the people think we should put in it? Put another VQ in it?
Nah.
Why not? You like the VQ?
I did like the VQ, but I just think it's unreliable.
It's unreliable when you leave it with Stephen.
True.
If you leave it for 1 drift event with Baggsy, it's unreliable. 5 with us, it's fine.
We were good to it, to be fair, and it was good to us. So, yeah. Well, look, the engine's there. So
There's no engine. He's lying. That is just a pallet that's shrink wrapped with boxes underneath it. There's nothing in there.
Is he lying?
He is like.
So the people will decide what they want,
people will
and then we'll
decide.
ignore it and we'll put in it anyway.
Well, we'll leave that at that. Nothing else has changed in the workshop. Fabrum's still the Fabrum.
Your car's moved around a bit, isn't it?
We've pushed my car around the workshop.
And lost the windscreen.
Yeah, I took the windscreen out. That's about as far as I got with that. Yeah, one day. Who knows? One day.
Fabrum's had
no changes.
I don't think has it changed? No, I think it's still the same, isn't it?
Got brand new
done any work, has he?
Yeah, I haven't been here to do any work.
Don't pick him out.
We haven't been here to do any work. We got a brand new snap-on MIG.
Yeah, new snap-on MIG.
Yeah, that's it really. We haven't not too much change, but we got a lot of change coming.
But
there's a lot of change coming.
There's a lot to do in here over winter, I think, isn't there?
Yeah.
So I think it will be regular workshop Wednesdays again.
From
or
now.
somewhat regular. Like, it can't be every week. But
Can't be every week, but
Well, you know how to use a
try.
GoPro.
Sometimes.
the problem is we're too busy, Higo. You need to be here. So
Yeah, but I'm too
if
busy.
anyone wants to see it, at Higo,
move to Essex.
so put Higo's at here, send him a DM and tell him he's useless and to film more videos.
No, tell him to move to Essex.
Or just move to,
Just move to Essex.
It's hard for him to film from Wales, so move to Essex, Higo.
Yeah.
Come on, everyone in the comments together. Higo, move to Essex.
Well, that's it. That's the workshop. Nothing's changed, but there is going to be a lot of change in the next couple of weeks. We've got a lot going on in the winter. We've got engine change. I'm just going to say engine change in the 350Z. We might have another project to build.
Yeah,
maybe two.
Maybe another car. The GT86 is at Quinn's. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. The GT86, Bob's finished the fabrication. It's now gone to Quinn's. Joe's painted it, and now he's assembling it together.
No, he's assembling it.
You're going over
Tuesday.
next week, so I don't know when that video will come out, but there's some
coming
fancy bits that you're doing to that, isn't there? Some quite nice.
So I'm going over Tuesday morning with Steve and Higo, and we're going to do the full titanium 4-inch, 3.5-inch exhaust, and all the boost hoses with all the new Vibrant HD pinless clamps, titanium intake on the turbo, loads of fancy stuff.
Don't give away all the secrets.
All right, well, we'll show them anyway in the video. So yeah, I'm going over there for 3 days to do the source, coming back, and then we're back for 4 days, and then me and Stephen are going to Vegas for SEMA. Sam gets stuck in the workshop.
They're going for work.
We're going to work.
Activities.
We're going to work. We are going to work. We're having
Work
meetings.
activities.
We're going to have meetings.
Work activities and meetings.
We're having meetings about the projects for next year.
Oh, okay.
You know.
So any
see
secrets though you can tell us, or any hints?
Nah, Sam's already given enough away.
I haven't said anything.
You said it.
No, you said it.
No, you gave it away.
You ruined it now.
No, you ruined it.
You've
for
ruined it.
everyone.
No more
You
workshop
ruined it for
Wednesdays. He's ruined it.
Who knows? Regular, unregular, whatever. But exciting stuff happening. A lot
More
going
of
on
us
in the workshop. More of us talking rubbish and doing work. So we'll see you on the next one. That's it, Higo. You meant to stop recording
Oh,
now.
right.
Yeah.